Rise up in splendor, Jerusalem. Your light has come. The glory of the Lord shines upon you. See, darkness covers the earth, and thick clouds cover the peoples. But upon you the Lord shines, and over you appears his glory. Nations shall walk by your light, and kings by your shining radiance. Raise your eyes and look about. They all gather and come to you. Your sons come from afar, and your daughters in the arms of their nurses. Then you shall be radiant at what you see. Your heart shall throb and overflow, for the riches of the sea shall be emptied out before you. The wealth of nations shall be brought to you. Caravans of camels shall fill you. Dromedaries from Midian and Ephah, all from Sheba, shall come bearing gold and frankincense, and proclaiming the praises of the Lord. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Responsorial Psalm. The heavens declare the glory of God.
The heavens declare the glory of God.
The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament proclaim his handiwork. Day pours out the word today, and night to night imparts knowledge.
The heavens declare the glory of God.
Not a word, nor a discourse whose voice is not heard. Through all the earth their voice resounds, and to the ends of the world their message. The heavens declare the glory of God,